Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Biscuit in the Garden. Come along, Biscuit, it's time to visit the garden. Woof woof, the garden is filled with so many things, Biscuit. Woof woof, just look at all the flowers and plants. Woof woof, you found a butterfly, Biscuit. Woof woof, you found a worm too. Woof woof, silly puppy, don't dig now. Woof woof, oh Biscuit, you found a little bird. Is little birdie hungry? Woof woof, tweet, let's feed the bird, Biscuit. Woof woof, wait, Biscuit, what did you see? Woof, two more little birds. Tweet tweet, here little bird, here's some bird seeds. Woof woof, come on Biscuit, there's lots more to see. Tweet, woof woof woof. Tweet, tweet, woof. Oh no, Biscuit, not the bird seed. Woof, woof, tweet, 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 tweet. Just look at all the birds now. Woof, woof. The garden is filled with so many things, Biscuit. Woof, woof. But you filled the garden with lots of birds too. Tweet, tweet, woof. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!